Guys and girls, and welcome to my screencast for a Project Zero from CS50. So we have a web page that's about a freighting company. It has four HTML pages. It's all hyperlinked, so we can go from one to another without a problem. It is responsive, as we can see, all done with Bootstrap. It has photos, it has unordered lists, and over here we have a table. So the code, we can see it over here. That's for HTML pages. That's a style sheet, and inside the style sheet we have the ID selectors, class selectors. We have media query over here, media query, and we are using Bootstrap 4. We have components, as we can see that we are using Bootstrap. Then we have SCSS page or SCSS part that we have also been using, and a little README with a small explanation of what was going on the project. I don't know if I left something out. Let's see it again. So it's hyperlinked. It has a list. It has a style sheet file. It has five CSS properties. Media queries, yes. And oh, right, SCSS. Sorry. We have examples over here of variable, nesting, and inheritance. So I think that more or less it wraps it up. So it's for a fighting company, has about section, hazardous materials, contact, and that's about it. It was very nice doing the project, and I'm looking forward to continue with the project of CS50. Thank you very much for your time and take care. Bye bye.